Hey everyone, welcome to the dimidrone's channel, and today we're gonna visit the Narva Castle, which is located in northeast part of Estonia country. More than 700-year-old Hermann Castle in Narva had been ruled over by Danes, Germans, Swedes and Russians through the centuries, but now finally belongs to Estonians. It obtained its current appearance during the time of the Livonian Order from the 14th to 16th centuries. Badly damaged in the Second World War, the castle was significantly restored in the 1970s and 1980s before opening as a museum. On the castle yard, you will meet a popular fellow called Lenin. He stands there pointing with his hands towards Russia. Nobody knows, but probably he stands there because his passport was expired many years ago. The Narva Castle was built near the same named river which divides two countries, Estonia and Russia. Straight across the river we can see a Russian medieval castle called Gorod. This fortress was established by Ivan IV in 1492, intended to reaffirm Muscovy's right to access the Baltic Sea and to form a bulwark against the Teutonic Order. The fortress eventually grew into the town of Gorod, and the structures of the fort were gradually expanded and strengthened. Gorod fortress was controlled by Sweden after the end of the Livonian War in 1583, changing hands numerous times during conflicts and border shifts over the following centuries until returning to permanent Russian rule after World War II. Or today's story comes to an end. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe buttons. Have a great day and see you soon. Stay safe.